Royaltie is a leading software company that provides small business owners with innovative tools to help them generate leads easily and affordably. Our proprietary proximity marketing system, known as the VF Gem, will broadcast high-quality ads onto the phones and tablets of the people around you in the most targeted locations on the most popular websites and apps in the world, including Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Google, and many more. Our VF Gem pricing is as follows. This is a one-time activation fee of $30 per account. We have 4 different models of the VF Gem to choose from. VF5 is $47 a month. It includes a guarantee of at least 5,000 impressions per month. The VF10 is $77 a month. It includes at least 10,000 impressions per month. The VF25 is $167 a month. It includes a guarantee of 25,000 impressions per month. And lastly, our VF50 is $297 per month. It includes a guarantee of at least 50,000 impressions per month. You can purchase an additional 1,000 impressions per month at any time for $7.50. Our Uplink product line provides guest Wi-Fi for business owners, allowing them to collect contact information from Wi-Fi users so that they can contact them with future offers. The Uplink Mobile is perfect for business owners on the move, providing mobile guest Wi-Fi. There is a one-time activation fee of $30 per device and a subscription fee of $35 per month. The Uplink Pro is perfect for all storefront locations, allowing storefront owners to provide their customers with guest Wi-Fi. There is a one-time activation fee of $30 per device and a subscription fee of $45 per month. We are pleased to offer Royaltie affiliates the most lucrative compensation plan in the industry. Our compensation philosophy is to provide Royaltie affiliates with the ideal combination of upfront cash bonuses and recurring monthly earnings, so that they can build and inspire great teams and be rewarded generously for their efforts today and for years to come. The first way you can be compensated with Royaltie is through our upfront bonus opportunity. With Royaltie, you can earn a $250 bonus for every 10 personal customers or affiliates that you bring on board. The second way you can be compensated with Royaltie is through recurring monthly income. As your team's total subscription revenue grows, you will receive larger and larger monthly payments. These payments will continue for as long as you maintain the required amount of monthly revenue at each level, and you remain compliant with Royaltie's affiliate agreement. Your team includes your personal customers plus your affiliates' personal customers. For example, if your personal customers plus your affiliates' personal customers generate 1,000 in total subscription revenue per month, you have achieved the rank of Silver and will be paid $360 per month. If your personal customers plus your affiliates' personal customers generate 7,500 in team subscription per month, you will have achieved the rank of Jade and you will be paid $3,000 per month. The third way you can be compensated with Royaltie is through large team monthly income opportunity. Commission is available on levels 3, 4, 5, and 6, and is based on total revenue generated on those levels. The percentage paid out is based on the number of personal sales occurred in the month as follows. 1 personal sale equals 1% of revenue on levels 3, 4, 5, and 6. 2 personal sales equals 2%. 3 personal sales equals 3%. 4 personal sales equals 4%. And 5 personal sales equals 5%. If your rank is Topaz or Jade, you will automatically receive a minimum of 3% of sales on levels 3, 4, 5, and 6, regardless of personal sales. If your rank is Pearl or higher, you will automatically receive 5% of sales on levels 3, 4, 5, and 6, regardless of personal sales. For example, if your levels 3, 4, 5, and 6 generates $10,000 in subscription revenue, you will be paid 5%, which is $500 per month. Compensation is calculated monthly and is paid out on the 15th of the following month. If the 15th falls on a holiday or weekend, commissions will be paid the next business day. We believe that Royaltie's suite of products is the simplest, most effective, most affordable way to generate new leads for any kind of business. And the Royaltie compensation plan rewards our affiliates generously for sharing our incredible products with small business owners around the world. Thank you for watching and welcome to Royaltie.